Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you are in the world. We are in Sydney, Australia right now, and time in Sydney is 11:15 a.m. Date is Sunday, 11th of December 2022. Just to show you guys, this chart is live. I'll go to the Google and I'll show you the time in Google. For the New York is 7:11 p.m. 10th of December, Saturday. They are one day behind, and we are Sunday, and is 11th of December. Okay. Before I start forecasting, I just ask you pause the video and read this risk disclaimer first, and I go to the chart. This is going to be part one for the prediction for the gold and the Bitcoin. Gold for the tomorrow, Monday, and the Bitcoin hopefully is going to be for today, prediction and the direction for the price, where it's heading to. I was just checking the gold, and I noticed we have opportunity for the gold, and I want to show you the way I do, as I always explain in past in our YouTube channel and Facebook and Instagram, that we did it in the past. You can watch all this video. We have all education and information and free signal for you on this YouTube channel and the Telegram group and all the social media that we have with the same name and same logo. So I go to the chart, and we explain about the gold forecast for tomorrow, Monday. I notice we have a green dot here, and when we have the green dot here, it means that we're looking to buy the product. In that case, the product would be gold against US dollar in 15 minutes time frame. What I always do, when the software that we have give us the hidden support and resistance in the past regarding the color of those ball, if it's green we look to buy, and if it's red like this one, I show you this, when it's red we go to actually sell it. So in that case we have a green, and this level hasn't been actually touched. What I do, I put the horizontal line under here, under the body or under the shadow. This one doesn't have any shadow, I put it on the body, and then I mark it purple color. Just the idea is this: when the price is under this horizontal, I don't care. The idea is that the price has to come above it and make the gap. This is the gap, empty gap, and market pass through this level of the hidden support and resistance in the past, and then when we get the arrow like this one, right, then we buy it to this level. We don't have any arrow here yet. The market is closed, as you know. Saturday, Sunday we cannot trade currency or gold or oil, but we do we are able to actually trade the crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum and other coins. So this is gold, and market is closed, but this is forecast for the Monday. So imagine market come down. When Monday market open, if they are not rally up suddenly and hit their target, and for some reason market head back here to this area, and this area we call it buying zone, okay, because it's under this purple color, under this candlestick. I'm talking about this candlestick, guys, okay, it is ball here. So when market open Monday, hopefully, if it did not hit the target suddenly, and if it come down to this area, then we have a chance to buy it. We have a chance to buy it to do two level, and one this black line and this purple color. The black line we call it TP1, taking profit 1, and the purple color we call it taking profit 2. Normally we get out of the trade in the taking profit 1. So we imagine that the price in the opening did not hit the target and actually consolidate here, and then going up and down, up and down, up and down, and suddenly market come to this area. When the price come to this area, we will wait, and when we get the arrow like this, we will buy it to this, and then we buy it to this for TP2, which I don't normally do. I'll just show you the direction when gold is heading. Gold is heading to this level. If the Monday open and suddenly does not hit, then we will wait the price come to this area. All this area is a buying zone. When we get the arrow, we buy it. Okay, this is for the gold. Now we go to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is live. Bitcoin, we can actually trade it today. As you can see, it's live chart and the date and time and everything. This software give us the how many minutes left for this candlestick, the small one, to become mature, because it's 15 minutes time frame and you got 9 minutes 33 seconds to finish this. So this is another software which is free online. You can actually get them, I think. So all this tick, these are the hidden support resistance, already has been activated and hit, so I don't look at them. There is 1, 2 and 3. I find them in advance and I make the line for you guys, and then these are the actually selling. As you can see, let me show you, the color is red, hidden support and resistance in the past. This is red, so we look to sell the product. In that case is Bitcoin. So the idea is this: when the price is above this horizontal line, we don't care, and the idea is that the price has to come past this horizontal line, come to this area and make the gap. It goes above it. When it goes above it, and then when we get the arrow, we can sell it to this level. You might say to me, so why do I not selling it here and waiting coming down? This is the way we trade. This is the system that we use. Okay, so although it shows that each arrow hit those level, yes, you are right, but it's not going to be 100% all the time. Actually, in the market there is nothing 100%. Anything might happen, any surprise might happen because of the red news and other things, but the system we use is this: when we look into sell it, price has to come under it, make the gap like this, goes above it, and then we get the arrow, we sell it. So this 1, 2, 3 level hasn't been activated. In this case, this scenario, actually market came under it now, retest it. Okay, see this one, retest. Okay, if the price come to this area, right, and now we get the arrow, we can actually buy. When, sorry, I repeat again, the price is in this area and then comes down, goes above it, and then when we get the arrow like this, we can sell, because this is selling, it's not for buy. Okay, so price now for this level, I'm talking about this candlestick, is under. We need to see the price goes above. All right, as soon as I get the arrow, I will sell to this level 1, which is this candlestick, for this level. If the price for this level, for this candlestick, please look at this candlestick, if this price come in here, goes above it, and then we get the arrow, we sell it to this. All right, these are the 3 level we look for the Bitcoin. Normally we get out of the trade in the TP1. May I explain again for you guys? I make the line here, change the color, just to understand what I'm talking about. I make it white to see. Imagine we have one candlestick like this. Change it to any color you want, doesn't matter. We got green. Okay, and then we got kind of the bowl which is like this. Make it red under this candlestick, like those red ball here. So what the idea is this: if this one has a shadow, this candlestick has a shadow. Let me see if I can make a shadow for you. Oh, this is going to be too much. Change to cancel. Okay, this is better. I change the color to black, make it straight line, looks like a shadow for you guys. Okay, this one. Suppose this is the software give us the red ball, this is red ball, and then what I do, I put a horizontal line under this shadow. If there is no shadow like this, I put them on the body, and because it's red, we look to sell them product, and we don't care if price coming up when we got the signal and the level. If the price is around this area hanging around, we don't care. What we look is this: the price has to come on red, past this, has to be in this area, and then go above it. As soon as we went above, then we are waiting and we are looking to sell the product. When we get the arrow to sell, which is this kind of the arrow, if the price coming under it, then we get ready. It goes past the horizontal line, support and resistance, hidden one in a pass, goes above it, we get the arrow around this area, then we can set it to this level. Okay, that is the idea for our system for selling. I explained this kind of the things many times in past for you guys before, so if you are interested, you can actually go to our YouTube channel. You see those videos. This is going to be only education and information for you guys. We are not responsible for your action. This is only free of the charge education. So please pause the video and read this risk disclaimer before you go. In the name of who, please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. And if this prediction hit the target, or if I am actually on the chart looking at the computer and babysitting the chart, if I enter to the market, I will actually make a second video for you guys. This is going to be part 1, and then it would be part 2 follow up this one. So please pause the video and again read this risk disclaimer. We are not signal company. This is education and information, and just free of the charge. We teach you how to trade. In the name of who, please look after yourself and your family, as I always say. I'm going to close this video. Thanks for watching. Yahoo, done, finish.